Jbhustling, JB trading, JB doing all that. Back with another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be going over my trading week this week. See what we did right, see what we did wrong. I'm gonna be in my journal, so y'all can tag along with me to see how I end off my week after trading is done.
I done did this for the day, but we finna just go over anyways. Like I said, I was gonna be doing that every single day. So every single day, as you can see, I have been sticking to my rules. We got February 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st. I think, when was Monday? Monday was the 17th. Yeah, I didn't do Monday. I forgot why. I think I had forgot or something like that. But we finna go over these questions first. Did you only take setups that align with your plan? Yes or no? I answered yes on that. Did you act on your edge without hesitation? Yes on that. I only took one trade today, but when I did take the trade, I acted on my trade without hesitation. Were you patient in unsure market conditions? I answered yes on this. Because we didn't really have unsure market conditions, but if we did, I would have definitely stayed away. Did you begin trading with a clear mind and not holding on to past trades? We're gonna answer yes on that as well. And we'll be clicking, but this should be, And then last but not least, did you journal each trade you took? Yes, I did. So now we finna go over to my trading journal and go over the past week. So we'll go to the calendar and just see what we did this week. So clearly this week, I traded on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Didn't trade on Thursday, but I traded on Friday. As you can see, we took 4 trades. We won 3 and we lost 1. The one trade that we lost, we only lost 0.1% of the account. I lowered my risk on that trade simply due to, and I got pictures of the trade so we can go over the pictures and everything. So boom, Monday was here. I took a loan, I lost it. I lowered my risk because it was a half day because of President's Day. It was an A+ setup on Dow. Took the trade without thinking, no hesitation. Took it on the combine. And this is how the trade looked. Break of this candle, we got a little momentum to the upside. Was kind of sure. I was like, oh yeah, we definitely finna win this trade. And this big candlestick right here cranked it right after. My stop was originally down here. This was originally down here. But once I seen how price was moving, I basically just cut my loss shorter than it would have been. So down here, I probably would have lost maybe like about 150 to 200 on this trade. But since I lowered my risk on it and cut the loss short, I only lost about $90 on this trade. So that's 0.1% of that account. So that was that. So I didn't take it too hard because it was Monday. I didn't over leverage, so that's what I was glad. Tuesday, which was February 18th, I took a long on gold and I won the trade, 1% of the account. It was an A+ setup, got a 1-on-1 on the trade, and I took that on a combine in my 2 funded accounts. So on this day, I took this on 3 accounts. So it wasn't just 1 funded, it was 2 funded accounts. But I did take this trade on 3 accounts and won it. This was a setup here. It was a clean demand setup. Price came up, created a new high, came back and retested that demand zone. I would have entered here at the break of this candle, but I wanted to see price. I just wanted to be sure that it was respecting this area. And once we got up here, it proved to me that it was respected the area. I got in on the break of this candle. Boom, 1-on-1. That was all she wrote. We was above, breaking structure to the top side, higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, that was that. Boom. So I didn't trade the funding for the rest of the week, which I should have, but how these trades were going, it was going pretty fast. So I just didn't want to risk it unless I was copy trading every single thing, which I'm not. I'm trying to enter combines and fundings individually with different type of risk tolerances. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, next, I took a trade on NASDAQ. Micro Nas. Took a short on here. Won that one. I won 1.2%. Was that 1%? Okay, yeah, it was 1.2%. Did I lower the risk on it? I think I lowered the risk a little bit. I don't remember. No, I don't think I did. I don't know. I forgot. But yep, I got a 1 to 1.5 this trade in 2 candles. It was on a compound account. This was the trade. We had a supply zone created. We below everything. Broke structure here. As you can see, price came down, came and retested this supply zone. I seen how I reacted off of it. I entered here off the break of this candle, but price jumped and it entered me in early, so it gave me an even better positioning on this trade. And I got to my target in 1 candlestick. 5 minutes, that is. Was happy with that. Went on about my day. Straight up. Okay, and then the last trade of the week, which was today. Another NASDAQ trade. But I ain't gonna cap NASDAQ low key. Didn't do. I was doubting NAS last week, of course, because y'all seen how NAS was acting last week. Was that last week or was that 2 weeks ago? One of these past weeks, NAS was just moving real crazy. But NAS been treating me lately low key. On NAS, I took a long here. I won it. 1% of the account. Well, 0.9, 1%, same thing. A+ setup. I lowered my risk on this trade. I lowered my risk, so I was risking about $200 to $300. But since I got 1 to 1.5, I still ended up making my close to 1% just because of I was going for a little bit more. I lowered my risk because it's a Friday. I was already in a good position on the week, and I don't want to, you feel me? If I do lose this trade, I don't want to, you feel me, take out the winners. You know, I just want to end the week off good. So let me just lower my risk. If I win, I'm still adding on to my accounts. This was that trade from today. Demand set up here. Price came up, took out these highs. It came back and retested this demand setup. Entered on the break of this candle. It got to my 1 to 1. It was looking real iffy, and I was getting low-key impatient. Don't lie, I was low-key getting impatient. But then as soon as my patience was about to run out, thankfully this happened. Real out the blue, I ain't gonna lie. It definitely saved me because I was about to, because it kept coming down up in here. So I was just like real nervous. I'm like, what's going on? What y'all doing? But yeah, it was good trade. So this week, I made about 3% this week. The combine. Yeah, that's really how this week went. Now I'm gonna go here and explain what I'm going to not do for next week, or really just cut out so I can just cut down on my losses. And one thing that I know I'm going to not do no more is trade on the half day. I think I'm gonna cut that out of like a rule. Like if it's a half day, we're just gonna stay away from the market, just come back tomorrow, short tomorrow. And another thing that I think I'm gonna just implement is getting rid of YM. Bro, Dow Jones ain't been doing me no good. I know I only took 2 trades and I lost both trades, but YM ain't been treating me like, I don't know. YM just, I ain't really back tested it too much, but I back tested it enough to see that. Why, you feel me? YM, I don't know if it really be in my favor on that pair right now, the current market conditions it be in. So I think I'm gonna just let go of YM for now, until I see it doing something different. But right now, I'm just only focusing on gold and NAS. I feel like I did good this week, though. So, yeah, we're going to write that out right here on this week. Yep. And then, yeah, facts. Next week, we're going to do the same thing. And, yeah, that's going to be that.
could have sworn up and down. I placed the alert right here, and this is how the trade went. This was the trade. Set up. It came down. It didn't alert me, but I drew it out still. This is where I would have entered, and I didn't see it until it was like here, and I was like, wow, I missed out. And of course, I wasn't gonna enter in here because that would have been, you feel me, messed up. But yeah, this was a setup. 3 to 1. I would have gotten. That's the minimum I'm going for on these live accounts. It's a 3 to 1. So yeah, things looking pretty good for me right now. Even though I didn't take the setup, I know in due time another setup will appear, and I will take it. And I'll be patient on swing trades. Like it's just something just to implement, just to build up a live account while I'm also building up. While I'm also getting payouts and things of that nature. So yeah, but stay consistent, stay disciplined, do what you tell yourself you're gonna do. Visualize yourself in the position of a profitable trader, and you will begin to act like so. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.